If the weather outside is not good, use AI to generate indoor play ideas for the kids. Why use AI? Well, two reasons. First, it's way better than sitting in front of the TV. Second, AI encourages activities that help kids build literacy skills. It's mostly text-based, which by itself promotes reading fluency and an interest in reading. Another positive dimension is creative thinking. There are heaps of AIPRM prompts that create a vast digital playground where kids can ignite their imagination. Don't believe it? Try these AIPRM prompts during your next indoor family day and see what happens. The first one is a personalized story generator. Log into ChatGPT and on the AIPRM dashboard, click the Public tab. Go to the search field and enter Short Story Generator. Select the prompt. Go to the input field and paste in story details. Kids can personalize the story by adding their names and locations. Click the Send Message button. ChatGPT generates a short story that's ready for editing or a live performance around the evening dinner table. Here's number 2. Write a song and choose a musical style. Go to the search field and enter Lyric Writer version 1.2. Select the prompt. Go to the input field and enter a title idea. Click the Send Message button and then select a music style. ChatGPT generates lyrics for a song. Sounds like a great family night. Here's number 3. Kids gotta eat, right? So why not add healthy cooking to Family Day? Go to the search field and enter Food Blogging Cookbook Automation. Select the prompt. Go to the input field and enter a prompt. Here's my suggested prompt. You can modify as required. Click the Send Message button. The output looks pretty tasty. That's it. Now you know how to generate kid-friendly family activities with AIPRM.